Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and thank you guys so much for all the support by watching and commenting and subscribing, of course, because you guys make it possible, and our road to 1,000 subs, it's just been a really incredible ride for us, and we just can't thank you guys enough. So it'd be super easy to just go ahead and hit the like and sub button right now. You won't even have to worry about it later. So anyway guys, today on Moments in Time we have Operation HighJump, and we'll just jump right into it. In the wake of World War II, the United States embarked on a grand venture that combined military prowess, scientific inquiry, and the spirit of exploration. Known as Operation HighJump, this expedition to Antarctica remains one of the largest and most ambitious missions ever undertaken on the frozen continent. Led by Rear Admiral Richard E. Byrd, Operation HighJump was officially named the United States Navy Antarctic Developments Program, and it took place from August 1946 to February of 1947. We're going to dive into the background, execution, achievements, controversies, and the legacy of Operation HighJump. Post-World War II, the geopolitical landscape was shifting. The nations were eager to assert their influence in previously unexplored territories. Antarctica, with its vast uncharted regions and potential scientific treasures, became a focal point for exploration. Some of the main objectives of Operation HighJump were training naval personnel to help them prepare for operations under extremely cold weather conditions, equipment testing to evaluate the performance of military and scientific equipment in those same extreme cold environments, establishing bases and maintain stations on the Antarctic continent to help support future research and military operations, scientific research like conducting extensive geological, meteorological, and electromagnetic studies, and then lastly, promoting a U.S. presence to demonstrate and establish a U.S. presence in Antarctica amidst the growing interest from other nations. Operation HighJump was actually structured into 3 main task groups, each with distinct responsibilities. First, you had the Central Group. Its flagship was the USS Mount Olympus, and its objective was to establish a main base at Little America 4 on the Ross Ice Shelf. This group also coordinated logistics and communications for the entire operation. Then, you had the Eastern Group. Its flagship was the USS Pine Island. Its mission was to conduct aerial reconnaissance and mapping of the eastern portions of Antarctica. This group utilized seaplanes for extensive aerial surveys and photography. And then lastly, you had the Western Group. Its flagship was the USS Currituck. Its objective focused on exploring and mapping the western reaches of Antarctica. Similar to the Eastern Group, this group conducted aerial surveys and gathered scientific data. Additionally, there was also a supply group and a hydrographic group that supported the 3 main task groups. Operation HighJump involved a wide range of activities, from establishing bases to conducting scientific research and equipment testing. The main base, Little America 4, that was established on the Ross Ice Shelf, served as the primary hub for logistical support, scientific research, and the housing for the personnel. Temporary camps and outposts were set up across the continent to support aerial surveys and ground expeditions. Extensive use of aircraft, including seaplanes and land-based planes for aerial mapping and photography of over 230,000 square miles of Antarctica. These photographs significantly expanded the understanding of the continent's geography. Geological studies as a whole, they also collected rocks and soil samples to study its geological history, gathering data on weather patterns to improve forecasting and understanding polar climates, and of course you had biological observations as well. The study of Antarctic wildlife, including penguins, seals, and marine life in general, to gain more insights into the behaviors and ecosystems. And Antarctica was also a perfect place to evaluate the military and scientific equipment under extreme cold conditions. This including testing vehicles, clothing, communication systems, just about everything you could think of, to not only ensure their effectiveness in polar environments, but to also find those physical limits. Operation HighJump's achievements can be classified into several key areas. One, being the extensive aerial mapping provided unprecedented insights into the geography of Antarctica. The photographs and maps created during the operation served as a valuable resource for future expeditions and even research. Geological samples collected during the expedition offered new information about the continent's geological history and its composition. Meteorological data improved the understanding of Antarctic weather patterns and contributed to more accurate weather forecasting as a whole. The testing of equipment and vehicles under those extreme conditions that we alluded to earlier led to technological advancements and improvements. Some of these innovations had applications beyond Antarctica, benefiting not only the military, but scientific operations in other cold regions. Operation HighJump also demonstrated the United States' commitment to polar exploration and research. The successful establishment of bases and camps bolstered the U.S. presence in Antarctica and laid the groundwork for future missions. Now, despite its scientific and logistical successes, Operation HighJump has been the subject of various controversies and conspiracy theories. Some are more notable than others. One theory suggests that Operation HighJump was launched to investigate and dismantle secret Nazi bases established in Antarctica during World War II. Now, according to this theory, the Nazis had fled to Antarctica with advanced technology, and the U.S. mission was aimed to uncover and neutralize these bases. However, there is no credible evidence to support these claims. Another popular theory is that the mission encountered unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, and extraterrestrial beings. Proponents of this theory claim that the U.S. military engaged in confrontations with advanced extraterrestrial technology. As with the Nazi base theory, there is no concrete evidence to substantiate these claims, as they remain in the realm of speculation. And lastly, some theorists believe that Operation HighJump was a cover for testing and recovering advanced technologies, possibly even extraterrestrial origin. This theory suggests that the U.S. government sought to harness these technologies for military and scientific purposes. Again, there is no viable evidence to support these assertions. While these theories have captured the public's imagination, the official records and documentation of Operation HighJump focus on its scientific, logistical, and training objectives. Operation HighJump's legacy is significant and multifaceted. It marked the beginning of a new era of Antarctic exploration and research, setting the stage for future scientific endeavors. The data collected and experiences gained through the expedition laid the groundwork for subsequent missions, contributing to the ongoing quest to help understand Antarctica. In fact, the success of Operation HighJump paved the way for future Antarctic expeditions by the United States and many other nations. The logistical, technological, and scientific lessons learned during the mission informed the planning and execution of the subsequent missions. Another notable point is in the year following Operation HighJump, Antarctica became a focal point for international scientific collaboration. The Antarctic Treaty System, established in 1959, promotes peaceful and cooperative research in the region. The treaty prohibits military activities, nuclear testing, and even territorial claims, ensuring that Antarctica remains a continent dedicated to scientific exploration and discovery. As far as the geological, meteorological, and biological data collected during Operation HighJump, it continues to be valuable resources for researchers studying Antarctica to this day. The expedition's contributions to understanding of the continent's geography, climate, and ecosystem has had long-lasting impacts on polar science. Operation HighJump captured the public's imagination and interest in Antarctic exploration. The mission's achievements and the mystery surrounding its objectives have inspired countless books, documentaries, and discussions about the frozen continent. Operation HighJump stands out as a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and the spirit of exploration. Despite the challenges posed by the harsh Antarctic environment, the mission achieved remarkable success in mapping and studying one of the most remote and enigmatic places on Earth. The legacy of Operation HighJump continues to inspire scientists, explorers, and enthusiasts as they venture into the frozen wilderness of Antarctica, uncovering its secrets and expanding our knowledge of this icy frontier. But guys, that's it for this Moments in Time. We certainly hope you enjoyed it, and if you made it this far in the video, maybe give us a like and a sub, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. But guys, thank you so much for watching. From all of the team, Big Duke, Xanatos, Kegs, and myself, we thank you so much, and we can't wait to have you guys back on another video. Until next time.